Hello students, this video is about question and answers of first chapter. Term 1 consists of total of 8 chapters and term 2 is also consisting of total of 8 chapters. Here we will see question and answers of the first chapter, that is food, where does it come from? So this is the first chapter, food, where does it come from? These are the exercise questions of this food chapter. So we'll discuss it one by one. Section A, multiple choice questions. Here you have to select the correct option. First question is, the carnivores have sharp teeth, claws, both A and B, only broad teeth. Carnivores have sharp teeth and claws. So the correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Second question, human beings are. Human beings are, is it herbivores, carnivores, scavengers, omnivores? Human beings are omnivores. Third question, premolars and molars are the kind of teeth to cut food, grind food, tear food, none of these. Premolars and molars are the kind of teeth to grind food. Fourth question, when we eat a carrot, we eat dash part of the plant. Stem, leaf, root, all of these. When we eat a carrot, we eat root part of a plant. So answer is option C, that is root. Fifth question, fungi and bacteria are called omnivores, herbivores, decomposers, scavengers. Fungi and bacteria are called decomposers. Sixth question, vultures belong to a special class of carnivores called scavengers. So vultures belong to special class of carnivores called scavengers. Section B, fill in the blanks. First question, turnip is the dash of a plant. Turnip is the root of a plant. Second question, the green plants produce food, so they are called producers. They are called producers. Green plants are called producers. Third one, two main sources of our food are plants and animals. Two main sources of our food are plants and animals. Fourth question, tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Tiger is a carnivore. Fifth one, deer eats only plant products, so it is called a herbivore. Deer eats only plant products, so it is called a herbivore. Sixth one, the dash that we drink comes from cows, buffaloes and goats. Answer is milk. The milk that we drink comes from cows, buffaloes and goats. Section C, match the items of column A with those of column B. Match the items of column A with the column B. Bacteria is what? Bacteria is a decomposer. Tiger. Tiger is what? It is a carnivorous animal. So tiger is carnivore. Human being is omnivore. Human being is omnivore. Vulture. Vulture is a scavenger. Goat. Goat is herbivore. Section D. State true or false against the following statements. Lion and tiger eat other animals. So this one is true. Lion and tiger eat other animals because they are carnivorous. Second one, milk, curd, paneer and ghee are all animal products. So this is also true. Third, animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called carnivores. So this one is false. Fourth, green plants prepare their own food, so they are known as producers. So this one is true. Fifth, the animals that depend on other living beings for food are called scavengers. No, this one is false. Sixth one, herbivores depend on other living animals for their food. False. Section E, encircle the odd one out. First, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, apple. Here, spinach, lettuce, cabbage are vegetables, whereas apple is a fruit. So, answer is apple. Second one, cereals, pulses, black pepper, eggs. So, here, eggs are the odd one. So, you have to mark the eggs. Third, butter, cheese, honey, ice cream. Here, honey is the odd one. So, mark honey. Fourth, cow, deer, elephant, dog. Cow, deer, elephant are herbivores, whereas dog is a omnivore. So, mark the dog. Fifth one, turnip, arbi, potato, onion. Here, turnip is the odd one. So, mark the turnip. Section F, differentiate between the following. First one, carnivores and herbivores. Second, scavengers and decomposers. Third, apiculture and pisciculture. So we will see these differences one by one. First one is the difference between carnivores and herbivores. What are carnivores? The animals who eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example, lion, tiger, snake. Herbivores. What are herbivores? Animals who eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores. Example, cow, deer, elephant. Second difference is scavengers and decomposers. What are scavengers? The animals consume decaying bodies of animals and help to keep the environment clean are called scavengers. Example, crow, jackal. Decomposers. What are decomposers? The living organisms that feed on dead and decaying plants and animals. Example, fungi and bacteria. Now the third difference is apiculture and pisciculture. What is apiculture? Apiculture is a process of rearing of honey bees on a large scale. It is the process of rearing of honey bees on a large scale. What is pisciculture? Pisciculture is the process of rearing and management of fishes on a large scale. So apiculture is related to honey bees and pisciculture is related to rearing of fishes. Now these are the short answer type questions. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Name any 2 root vegetables. Third question. Name any 2 animal products that serve as sources of food for human beings. Fourth, define pisciculture. So we will see the short answer type questions one by one. First question is name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Plant, that is carrot. Carrot edible part is root. Onion, its edible part is stem. Potato, its edible part is stem. Cabbage, its edible part is leaf. Mustard, its edible part is seeds. Cauliflower, its edible part is flower. Second question, name any 2 root vegetables. Answer, 2 root vegetables are beetroot, carrot. Third question, name any 2 animal products that serve as sources of food for human beings. Answer, animal products are milk, egg, meat and honey. Fourth question, define pisciculture. Answer, the process of rearing and management of fishes on large scale is called pisciculture. In the fifth question, you have to identify whether the given animal are herbivores, carnivores or omnivores. Cockroach is given. Is it herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Omnivore. So this is a figure of deer. Deer is herbivore. This is the figure of snake. Snake is what? It is a carnivore. Snake is carnivore. So this is a boy, or we can take it as a human being. Human being is omnivore. Section H, long answer type questions. First question, why do we need food? Do all living things need food? Second question, what do you understand by carnivores? Give 2 examples. Third question, why do we call green plants as producers? How are the producers different from herbivores? So we will see these long answer type questions one by one. Why do we need food? We need food to perform 4 basic functions in our body. What are the 4 functions? It provides energy needed for various activities. It is needed for growth and repair the worn out cells. It controls various body functions and it is required for protecting the body from various diseases and for keeping it fit and healthy. Do all living things need food? Do all living things need food? Yes. All living things need food. Second question. What do you understand by carnivores? Give two examples. Answer. The animals who eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example. Lion, tiger, wolf, snake. So these are examples of carnivorous animal. Carnivores have sharp canines for tearing flesh. Birds such as eagle and vultures have sharp pointed beaks for tearing flesh. Third question. Why do we call green plants as producers? How are the producers different from herbivores? Answer. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, chlorophyll and sunlight are called producers. Once again I will read. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, chlorophyll and sunlight are called producers. Producers are those who produce food and herbivores are those who consume plants. Producers are those who produce food and herbivores are those who consume plants. Section I, Hot questions. First one, the food items eaten in one state often differ from the food items eaten in other states. Why? Second one, snakes have no limbs, still then they move very fast. How? So we will see the answer of these two questions. First question is, the food items eaten in one state often differ from the food items eaten in other states. Why? Answer. In our country, people at different state have different food habits. Food habits are affected by food production and supply. For example, rice is common food in the South India, while wheat is commonly eaten in the north. So rice is common food in the South India, while wheat is commonly eaten in north. Second question. Snakes have no limbs, still then they move very fast. How? Answer. During its movement, a snake alternately tightens and relaxes a set of muscles along each side of its body to produce horizontal waves that travel down the body. At the same time, the snake orients itself so that its tail pushes against a resisting force such as land, water, or branches of trees. In this way, some snakes achieve speed up to 10 km per hour. So the snake orients itself so that its tail pushes against a resisting force such as land, water or branches of trees. In this way, some snakes achieve speed up to 10 km per hour.
Thank you for watching the video.